Hi, I'm going to talk about how to use cell phone apps to scan a document into a PDF file, and then you can share the PDF file with anybody. If you are a student, you can send the PDF file to your teacher. Uh, I'm going to choose two cell phone apps that are available across different platforms. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or if you have a Android phone. Those two apps are available on both types of phones. So as long as you have a smartphone, then you can use those two apps. Okay, the first app I'm going to talk about is ADOBE Scan. ADOBE Scan. So you will need to first install it on your phone. Okay, I'll go ahead and start ADOBE Scan by tapping it. And then if it's the first time it's your first time to use this app, it'll ask you to sign in, or you can sign in with Google account, you can sign in with your Facebook account. I'm going to just sign in with my Apple ID. So I will tap sign in with the Apple ID. All right, now I'm signing in and the welcome page pops out and I'm ready to scan my first document. You can see that the tab document is in blue, meaning that it is selected. And there are some other tabs such as whiteboard, form, business card, meaning that you also can scan a business card, you can scan a form, you can also scan a whiteboard. Because our purpose is to scan a document, so I'm going to use document to scan. So just position your phone, aim at the camera so that the document is included. So I'm using an example document here. Then I will tap the circle, the camera, and then the document is captured. So you can adjust the full circle at the corner to adjust the border so that the document is entirely contained. Then you can tap continue, and then your document is captured. Okay, or see, go ahead and turn off the automatic capture because it'll keep continuing scanning, automatically scanning document. And if you only have one page, that will create a little bit of trouble. So since I only have one page and it's already done, I'll go ahead and tap the document, which shows also has only one page over here to move on to the next step. And over here, it has a number of editing tools that you can edit. You can use to edit your PDF file. So for example, you can add more pages, you can order different pages, you can crop, rotate, color, clean up. I'd like to show, so clean up is a very good tool. So if you tap that, and then you can, for example, clean the border that we don't want. Okay, so I will see that just tap the border. You see the black border is cleaned up. Okay, so and then next tap the check mark to confirm, and then you can tap save PDF to save your document as a PDF file. And that's it. Next step, you can share it or send it to anybody you want. So tap share, okay? And you can send the link, you can email the link, or you can share a copy of the PDF file to the recipient. Okay, I will go ahead to try show you using share a copy option. Tap that, and over here it pops out some options. So you can see you can message the recipient the PDF file, you can email, and so on. Also, I want to show you, you can also just send the link that is linked to the file which is stored on the Adobe Cloud. Okay, you can tap share again. I will email, but this email only will email the link to the file. See, the link is automatically put in the email, and in the to field, you can type the email address of your recipient. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.